Hello and welcome. In this session, we'll explore one of the most powerful and exciting developments in artificial intelligence, generative AI, or GenAI for short. Traditionally, AI helped us analyze data, classify things, or make predictions. But now, with GenAI, we're moving into something much more creative, machines that can actually generate original content. That means AI is now capable of writing essays, composing music, creating images, and even producing videos like the one you're watching right now. This is a game changer for education, business, health, the arts, and nearly every industry. And it's already happening. If you've used tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, FreePeak, or Midjourney, you've already interacted with GenAI. In this video, we'll cover 5 important things: a clear and simple definition of what GenAI is, how it actually works, the tools you may already be using, why this technology matters now more than ever, and finally, a recap of what to remember. Whether you're a student in science, business, education, or the arts, this knowledge will give you an edge. Let's begin our GenAI journey. Hashed at Meta, pause, sex 0.5. Hashed at Meta, pause, sex 0.5. So, what exactly is generative AI? GenAI is a type of artificial intelligence that doesn't just analyze existing information. It creates new content. It learns from massive amounts of data, then generates something original based on that learning. This can include text like essays, summaries, social media posts, or even poetry. ChatGPT is a prime example. Images, created by tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, FreePic AI, or Canva AI. Music. Yes, AI can compose background scores using platforms like Suno AI. Videos. Apps like Synthesia and HeyGen turn text into animated avatar videos, just like this one. The key difference. Traditional AI tells you what movie to watch. Gen AI could write the script, design the poster, and produce the trailer. Think of Gen AI as a creative assistant, one that never gets tired and is available 24/7. It doesn't replicate existing work. It builds something new based on patterns it has learned. So when you type a prompt like, "Write an email to my professor requesting deadline extension," Gen AI doesn't fetch a stored email. It generates a brand new one using logic, tone, and structure it has learned. It's creativity powered by data and algorithms, and it's now accessible to everyone. Hashtag Meta pause, Nova sex.5. Hashtag Meta pause, sex.5. Now that we know what GenAI is, let's explore how it works. In simple terms, GenAI works in 3 main steps: training, learning, and creating. Training. The AI model is fed enormous datasets: books, websites, songs, photos, videos, sometimes in the scale of billions of words or images. For example, ChatGPT was trained on massive amounts of internet text. Learning. From that data, the model learns patterns, how sentences are structured, how art styles differ, or what makes jazz sound different from pop. It doesn't memorize. It builds statistical relationships between concepts. Creating. When you give it a prompt, like design a poster for a university event, GenAI uses what it learned to produce something unique. It chooses what to generate based on probabilities, like which word or image element is likely to come next. Example, you type, write a poem about coffee and deadlines. The AI uses its internal language model to generate each line, based on the flow of ideas, sentence patterns, and tone it has seen in similar texts during training. But keep this in mind. GenAI doesn't truly understand. It doesn't know what love is or why you like coffee. It doesn't feel emotions or form opinions. It simply replicates the appearance of understanding based on the data it's seen. It's a machine that plays with patterns, but does it so well that the result often feels creative or even human. Let's now explore some of the most popular GenAI tools that are already reshaping how people create content, solve problems, and work more efficiently. Here are some key tools. ChatGPT, text generation. Write emails, essays, study notes, or even jokes. It's like a smart writing assistant that can adapt to tone and format. FreePic, AI, image generation. Perfect for posters, thumbnails, storyboards, and comic-style graphics. Just describe what you want, and it draws it for you. Canva, AI, smart design assistant. Helps you choose layouts, create infographics, and design social media posts. You can generate slide templates and adjust visual elements with AI. Suno AI, music generation. Compose background music for YouTube videos, class projects, or creative writing, without any musical training. Synthesia and HeyGen, AI avatar videos. Turn text into video with lifelike avatars, like this one. It's used in training, marketing, and education around the world. These tools don't require programming skills. Most offer simple user interfaces. You enter a prompt, and you get results in seconds. Imagine how much time you save. Instead of spending 3 hours designing a poster, you get 3 drafts in 3 minutes. Instead of writing an email from scratch, you get a personalized template. Gen AI tools are leveling the creative playing field, making content creation accessible to everyone. Meta pause.sex 0.5. So why does Gen AI matter? Why is it such a big deal? Here are 4 reasons. Time saving. It automates repetitive or complex tasks, like writing, designing, summarizing in seconds. You can use that time to refine ideas or focus on what really matters. Empowerment. It empowers people who may not have design or tech skills. With just a prompt, you can create high-quality graphics, music, or writing. That's a big deal for students, entrepreneurs, and professionals alike. Innovation and creativity. Gen AI helps you brainstorm and iterate quickly. You can try 5 different versions of an idea before deciding. That freedom leads to more creativity and less fear of failure. Versatility. Gen AI is being used in education, to summarize lectures, create flashcards, simulate tutors. Healthcare, to draft patient summaries, translate instructions. Business, for marketing, reporting, communication. Arts, storytelling, character design, concept art, songwriting. Real-world example. A university student needs to prepare a group presentation. They use ChatGPT to summarize articles, Canva AI to design the slides, and HeyGen to record the voiceover. What once took 3 people a week now takes 1 person a day. GenAI changes who can create and how fast they can do it. ChatGPT to prepare a. Let's wrap up with the key takeaways from today's session. GenAI equals AI that creates. It doesn't just analyze, it builds new things. From stories and illustrations to music and training videos. It works using prompts plus patterns. You don't need coding skills. Just tell it what you want in natural language. It's accessible. You can start using tools like ChatGPT, Canva, or HeyGen with no technical background. They're designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. It's already changing the way we learn and work. Whether you're writing, studying, creating, or collaborating, GenAI can boost your productivity and creativity. But remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement for human judgment. It's only as good as the prompt you give and the decisions you make with the results. Final thought. As students, you're preparing for a world where AI will be your teammate. The more you understand it, the better you can use it wisely, ethically, and effectively. Thanks for watching. I hope you now have a solid understanding of generative AI, what it is, how it works, and how you can start using it today.